Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to dropship using Shopify. My name is Tube Bargains and I'm here to walk you through the process of setting up your own successful drop shipping business. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's first define what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. You could say that he or she is just the middleman whose task is connecting suppliers to customers through advertisement. Now that you know what dropshipping is, let's talk about why it's such a great business model. First and foremost, it's incredibly low risk. Since you don't have to purchase inventory upfront, you don't have to worry about being stuck with products that don't sell. Additionally, it's a great way to test out new products and see what resonates with your audience without committing to a large inventory. So, how do you get started with dropshipping on Shopify? First, you'll need to sign up for a Shopify account and set up your store. This includes choosing a theme, adding products, and setting up payment and shipping options. You also need to make sure that your store is professional looking, as your customers don't know who you are and can only judge your store by the website design and interface. If you make your website clean and professional, you're already halfway there. Next, you'll need to find a supplier. There are a few different ways to do this. You can use a dropshipping service like Oberlo, which connects you with suppliers, or you can find suppliers on your own using directories like SaleWho or Worldwide Brands. I would personally suggest using sites like AliExpress and Alibaba, as their production costs are very low, which in turn means that they sell products for less. The only problem with sites such as AliExpress and Alibaba is the shipping period. As both are based in China, shipping to the US and Europe can take a very long time. Sometimes upwards of multiple weeks or months. This is not good for a business of your size. Your main job is to establish customer satisfaction, as you don't get a second chance. That's why it's also good to search for wholesaling stores in your area. Once you've found a supplier, you'll need to negotiate terms and prices. This includes things like the cost of the products, shipping fees, and return policies. After you've found a supplier and negotiated terms, it's time to add the products to your store. You'll want to make sure to add high-quality photos and detailed product descriptions to entice customers to make a purchase. The final step is to start marketing your store and driving traffic to your website. This can be done through social media, paid to advertise, and content marketing. This is the most crucial step in the process, as you need exposure. You need people visiting your store and eventually, hopefully, making a purchase. My favorite way to promote a store is through social media pages. You simply find a social media page that promotes similar products to yours and you pay somewhere between $5 and $50 depending on the size of the page, and thousands if not millions of people instantly view that post containing your product. And that's it. With a little bit of work and dedication, you can have a successful dropshipping business up and running in no time. Keep in mind that this process is very reliable, but it doesn't always work. There are so many factors that contribute to the picture. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to dropship using Shopify. Please consider subscribing and liking the video to keep up with the latest financial tutorials. Also, comment what video you want to see next. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it gives you the confidence to start your own dropshipping business. Happy selling and see you in the next video.